Today I'm going to go over how to change an engine air filter in this 2002 Ford Escape. Now this is the same from 2001 all the way up to 2006 models of Escape. This is the first generation. So this is also the V6 engine. So if you have the 4-cylinder, it might be a little different. But this guy is right here. This is our filter chamber. These guys snap up like this. Now these have snaps on the bottom, and at the top of this, these have snap. At the bottom, they have two little prongs that go in. So this guy you do have to finagle out like so. It is tight. It takes some pulling to get this out. You're gonna have to wrestle it. This is the struggle right here. Boom. Got it out. Now I just already replaced this. This is a brand new one, but actually the filter I pulled out, there was a dead mouse and a pile of sunflower seeds under there. So this is a good reason to always check that. And there's little bits of air filter that mouse chewed. So just a good reason to check your air filters. Another thing, I also threw the date on there. So when I go and check it later, I know how badly I'm out of date on changing that, and maybe I'll find some more dead mice in there. We'll see. But putting this guy back in, you do kind of have to fight this, get it in there. But once it's in, just make sure that seal is all the way around. There's a little black, this rubber seal right here. That's what seals it. So then we're going to make sure that those two little prongs at the base down here get into place. You'll know that they're not in place if these aren't clipping into place and there wants to be a gap. There's also these little things you have to align here. There's two little pegs. I'm also going to grab down here, and this would be moving if those weren't in place. So that's how you change the engine air filter on a Ford Escape. If this is helpful, give a thumbs up, and there'll be a link in the description for that part. Thanks. See you next time.